Women form the cornerstone of every family, and they are the primary caregivers. In fact, they are the key people in maintaining healthy families. So, it is of utmost importance that women develop healthy lifestyle practices to keep themselves healthy, as this will be passed on for generations together. It's alarming to know that more than 60% of the women suffer from so many diseases. For instance, very commonly we've come across that women suffer from obesity, PCOD, they suffer from hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and hypothyroidism, osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, some of the most common problems. Also, they face a set of physical and emotional challenges during their reproductive life cycle. So, I'm Dr. Komal Gandhi, consulting nutritionist at The Other Song, and we're coming up with a webinar on Women's Day, specially dedicated to women's health, wherein we will try and empower women with the tools of healthy lifestyle in terms of diet, nutrition, and exercise for all the mentioned diseases above. So, do feel free to join in for this webinar. A lot of your queries will also be solved, and you will know the right way of going ahead with respect to your health. Thank you.